So see here, if we summarize it, okay, why? Okay, first thing is one opportunity to meet to you all, okay, and your names. Okay, we will be, why I said first names, now because I am recording it, okay. So your full name is not required. That's why, but going forward, we will be calling with your full name. That will be more interaction, okay. So I will be getting each of you know. Now I not even seeing your faces and okay, full names also. Okay, it's just an introduction. But this introduction class is just to understand, okay, what is your understanding about ServiceNow, right? Okay, the main thing is many people already knew something about ServiceNow before you took this decision, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
one or two doesn't know about it, and they said they suggested by someone. Okay, that's how I generally ask the first. Anyone reach me, no? First I will ask them to go through about ServiceNow. Okay, people will ask me, okay, sir, you are teaching ServiceNow. Okay, is that good for my career, sir? Is that good for salary, sir? Is that good for learning, sir? Those questions will come, right? So if I tell it, is that the correct answer? Let's say you asked me, sir, what is ServiceNow? How is the gap growth in ServiceNow? Okay, can I able to learn ServiceNow easily? So if you ask me, if I tell the answers, okay, how you rely on my answers? Because I'm a trainer, okay, I will tell, generally I will tell good about that particular course and training and future, correct? Generally everyone will tell like that. Even outside institute people also will tell like that. How you believe me? You got my point, ma? First one. This is for maybe for
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, yes.
I may lie also, na, for my money, for my business. Correct? What if I lie saying my course is super? Okay, if you just attend it, okay, you will immediately get the jobs. You will get nice salaries. Okay, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. So I will tell like that, and then you join. Okay, once you join, you pay, you lock it, and then you have to do. You have to spend 2 months. And then later, if it's not that good, then who will be losing? Student will be losing. Correct? So before you join, okay, the student should know what you are going to do 100% with a dedication mind. That's why I asked one of the housewife, okay, is your husband forced you ma, or you knew service now and then came here? Okay, whoever are doing this particular course, you should at least know what you are going to do. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Okay, no, I'm not pointing you ma, I'm just telling in general. Okay, so anyone, okay, if you are doing something, not only this course, okay, this course will be open for 5 classes, you can all join and then decide and then whether continue or discontinue. But any course if you take, okay, many people are entering into IT, okay, shifting into IT, okay, so do thorough deep understanding about that course, okay, and understand and then see whether it fits for you or not and then proceed it. You understood ma? Even now also why I open this line for 5 days free classes is because these 5 free classes are 5 days, first initial 5 days. Okay. If you join now, you will adapt me. At least you will listen. Okay. What I'm going to teach or try to tell. And then you will understand whether you can understand my English. Okay. Understand the concepts. Whether service no will is easy for you, not easy for you, and all you will understand, and then you can take a call. Okay, that will at least help. So first thing is this one. That's why I asked everyone why ServiceNow, how you got to know about ServiceNow. Okay. So I think everyone are having basic idea why ServiceNow and it's good for your career, right? Can I assume it? Or anyone don't know anything about ServiceNow? Anyone are here who you don't know at least anything about ServiceNow? No. So I think we are all good. Okay. Second thing is, okay, what is your expectation? Right? Why you took ServiceNow? Then why only ServiceNow you took? Okay. So answers already came. Okay, one person is a IT recruiter. Where get placed? Very good. You can speak, ma. Okay, you no need to type. You can speak also, right? So IT recruiter is there. Okay, he knows very well because he will be processing more IT profiles and he will be knowing. Okay, which tool is good, which tool is not good. I think you are not the first one, ma. Okay, there are 5 people so far joined from IT recruitment side. Okay, Same question I asked, why you joined? Sir, I will be processing many profiles, and there are few domains where they are very, very rare and not rare, but very demanding. So that's why they selected ServiceNow and then they took the course also. One. There are five people, so five, six people were there. You are one, okay, now. So they know which tool is good, which tool is bad, which tool is not good, or which tool is more demanding. Okay. So I have one question for you. Apart from ServiceNow, what other tools are good now, as per your
Yeah,
understanding?
yeah. As of now, Appian and Azure cloud databases also good, sir. Also, DevOps also have a good demand, sir. In the
Salesforce.
Salesforce also, sir.
Salesforce.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Right. So let's write it this one. This is also one important. Okay. One more you told. What is that? RPM. Huh?
Appian, sir, it's a low-code platform, quick drag and drop technology it has.
Can you just spell it?
APPIAN, sir.
APPIAN.
IAN.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So these are others. Okay. Now we have something here.
Kind of Pegasus.
Uh-huh. Fine. Okay. No code. Drag and drop. Okay. Good. Okay. So now,
Yes, sir. BPM process, sir.
it's okay. Good. So
Yeah.
now, why service now is already answered, right? Do you want me to answer again, or you knew it already? You got to know already.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you know it, right?
Yes, sir, but just tell me why that one also.
Okay. Why service now is, so see, I will tell you. Okay. Based on my current experience, I am not from service now. Maybe 4 years back. Okay. I learned by my own and then I shifted my career. Many people are already into IT and they shifted their career. SAP person is there, okay, other person, okay, managers are there, CMDB person is there, okay, storage backup. Like that, I was into different technology. The why ServiceNow is, okay, ServiceNow learning is very easy. Okay, learning is very easy. Okay, it's not very easy, depends on how you learn. That's again different. Learning is easy and kind of limited syllabus here. Limited basic syllabus. Okay, I should be very careful when I write my wordings. Okay, topics. Okay, and uh, faster faster growth and demand, high demand. Okay, maybe anyone knows about service now? Anything I missed it, ma? Do I need to write anything else, or these three are enough? CMDB person,
So different modules.
different modules. Okay, that is like this one, faster growth. Okay, and wider scope. Maybe I can write wider scope.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Sir, less code.
Less code, huh? Who said less code? I don't commit it. So, but I will say easy code, okay? Not less code, okay? That is a
Okay,
kind
sir.
of myth. People will say service now is no coding, less coding, okay? I will tell you, okay? I should not say, okay? I will tell you what it is, okay? It's not less code, but it's a coding one, but easy coding, okay? And very
It's
easy
cloud based.
cloud based, yeah, cloud also I can say, okay? So this is one of our demo definition. Four definitions of ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a ticketing tool, ServiceNow is a cloud-based tool, ServiceNow supports integrations, and ServiceNow is a ITSM tool. Okay, good. So anything else which we can still say why ServiceNow to be selected for career opportunities? Anything else, ma? Main thing is high demand. High demand means salaries. Correct? This is one of our main priority. Yes, no? Either for entering into IT or career shift who are already there in IT or non-IT to IT. Anything, mainly salaries. What I am writing now. Don't see my English. Okay, I am from Telugu medium. Okay, my English is very poor, and when I am writing here, my mind only speak. I am speaking and writing now, so I don't concentrate on writing. So sometimes you will see very Korean, Japanese, everything. Okay, but understand the concept. Don't stress on it. Okay, you concentrate on my wordings. Okay, so now see here. First thing is easy to learn. Okay, ServiceNow. Why easy to learn is okay. ServiceNow platform is such a platform where it doesn't require any, even one person joined from which country, ma? One country he joined. He's from Telugu only. He's from Indian, but he is right now in kind of Jamaica or somewhere. Not Jamaica. Which country, ma? Who? Mr. M. Maulik. You are there, huh? I think he's no, he's not there. Okay, he's from one country, ma, African country. He's right now in African country. He joined there. Okay, he was calling me yesterday and asking like, Anna, I want to buy a laptop. Which configuration is required for this tool learning? I said, base any laptop with good internet and browser, Chrome. Chrome is enough. Okay, so see here, if I want to learn service now, this is what I want. Even I don't want anything. I want one Chrome, good internet. Okay, even 5G, 4G not required. Okay, 2G is enough for your practice. But I am giving sharing, video sharing, recording, everything is there, na? So I am maintaining some good, at least 4G, 5G. Okay, so internet, a computer, a computer also basic computer, not like advanced RAM, terabytes, gigabytes, not required. Basic thing, and your time, your interest. Okay, it doesn't require any additional tools to install or buy or subscribed. First thing. Okay, second thing is syllabus. Syllabus is, okay, what we are going to cover as part of this particular training. This syllabus is enough up to 3 years or 4 years of people. Okay, this is more than enough. I think I already shared the document also, like the PDF file. Okay, you already seen this PDF file, na everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, if anyone didn't see it, maybe I will just show. But the syllabus that we are going to see is a common syllabus for any ServiceNow developer. Okay, it is like our English alphabeticals and grammar. Okay, if you want to go and speak English, okay, you'll start with ABC learning and then alphabeticals and then grammar, sentences, something basic, right? So this is what it is. Now, after learning that English, you go to San Francisco or you go to UK and then give a big speech out of 1 lakh people, or you give a speech of 5 people. That is depends. How you use that particular base knowledge is different. Correct? So see here, I also learned the same concept. When I learned it, not even this much. Okay, I learned very light. I don't know what I need to learn because I was a self learner. Okay, but I learned it. I got a job. I'm getting some money. I learned the same thing. I'm teaching it. I'm getting some more job. People who are doing job also supporting. Okay, they are getting so. So you have some syllabus. How you are making use of the syllabus and converting this syllabus to money is your way of taking it up. But for any extent, okay, for any job, this is the syllabus that you need to do. Without this syllabus, you can't do any further learning in ServiceNow. The statement is clear, ma? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. This statement should be very clear because this is the syllabus needed to learn anything further. Okay. So I am telling you one more thing is like, let's say ServiceNow, the total number of concepts, let's say it's a version. ServiceNow is a version. Okay. But if I assume like total number of topics will be 100%, we are going to cover maybe 2% or maybe 3%. Okay, out of these 55 classes, okay, we are going to cover up to 3%. Still 97% is there where we don't know. We need to learn. Any ServiceNow people are here who are already working?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right. So do you agree, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct. So the ServiceNow is such a big topic, such a big ocean. Okay, what we are going to learn is, okay, very nominal basical thing, and this 3% is, see, I want to learn 20% of ServiceNow. Okay, if you don't know this 3%, you can't go to 20. I want to go 50% of learning. If you don't know this 3%, you can't go to 50. Okay, so even 50 to 100 also. So anyone who don't know these topics, you can't learn further. That is what my statement is. And this syllabus is more than enough up to 3 4 years of experience. Is that fine? Is that clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, now in our group, there are few people where you already have 10 years of experience, okay, 11 years of IT experience, 5 years of experience, okay. Sir, what I need to do in that case? You are teaching only for 3 years people, then how I can use it? Okay. You can't keep your all 10 years of experience into IT, ServiceNow side. You can just keep last 3 years, 4 years into ServiceNow, and before you can mention your original experience. Let's say I am from storage. Okay. I have 10 years of experience in storage. Okay, I will say I did 7 years of storage and then last 2 years ServiceNow development. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
We can't tell 10 years into ServiceNow. It will be very heavy and you can't manage it. But if you tell this way, the expectations will be normal and also you can manage it very nicely based on because you are already having entire knowledge. Okay, so it will make you very easy. Fine, ma?
Okay.
Yeah. So yes. Now, yeah, easy learning, basic limited topics because this is what our syllabus is, and if you learn these topics, whatever I cover with nice practice, that is more than enough. I'm telling you, okay. Maybe people who already knew ServiceNow, who already learned ServiceNow, who are joining again here, they will confirm it. Okay. So what they are missing outside and what we are going to cover here is having a lot of difference. So this is more than enough. Okay. So that is second thing. Third thing is faster growth. Okay. It is about tool, not our course, but tool. The ServiceNow tool have rapid growth. Okay, maybe in third session I will tell you versions, ServiceNow versions. In that time, I will tell one question, important question and answer. Okay, so that will answer your question. That will answer this question very well. Okay, why ServiceNow is growing like anything is because they are like the tool is like that. They are expanding the tool like anything. They are acquiring the entire IT market. Okay, so simultaneously the requirement for supporting that particular tool, the requirement for developing that particular tool for different customers also are in demand. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now, last point here, cloud based. Okay, anyway, cloud tools we see here, few people told, okay, one person told, okay, apart from ServiceNow, what else are there, sir? Okay, Azure, pure cloud, Microsoft cloud, DevOps, cloud related, Salesforce, cloud related. So, now the IT is trending to cloud. Okay. So whatever it supports the cloud platforms, they are automatically in good shape, in demand than non-cloud. Okay, we don't need to discuss it further, but as it is a cloud based, okay, it is very demanding. And even as it is demanding, okay, and as it is having, okay, uh, high scope, the salaries also will be high. If I say, okay, I have 2 years, 5 years service desk experience, I have 5 years, okay, manual testing experience, I have 5 years automatic testing experience, I have 5 years service no experience, the salary scales will be completely different. Okay, maybe the other three which I given examples, maybe your salary limits until 12 lakhs or 10 lakhs or 9 lakhs, right? Automatic testing, 5 years experience person, how much max they will get it? My any idea? Up to 12 lakhs, or can is that correct? Maybe
Yes, sir. Up to 12.
up to 12 lakhs. Okay, in service now, okay, 5 years experience people who are very strong in few topics. Okay, I seen they are getting 22 lakhs to 25 lakhs also. Anyone knows about it by any chance? Service now people who are working in service now people. Is that correct? Did you see anyone who are getting 25 lakhs with 22 lakhs, 20 lakhs? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. My sister is having 5 years experience. She is in Accenture now. Okay. She is a project lead and manager. She have 5 years only. Okay. And she is getting 21 lakhs. Okay. My friend got 23 lakhs of 5 years of experience in service now. So now, okay, it depends, ma'am. Again, it is not common for everyone. I can't say like, okay, if you do 3 years of experience, if you put and then if you try, you will immediately get 25 lakhs. Okay, They are very expertise in that subject. That is the reason they are getting more salaries. They learned it. They are doing some advanced concepts like integration and all. Okay, that's why they are getting more demand. People are there who are getting 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs also for 5 years, who don't know anything, and maybe they are doing more into admin side, non-technical stuff in service now. So both cases are there. Okay, but comparing to other tools, this have high salary scales in India and even in US and UK also, as per my knowledge. Okay, but they can confirm it, US and UK people. This point is clear, ma? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now one last point in this category is, sir, these also good. Okay. But why I need to take service now? Okay, these are also available. They are also very demanding. Okay. Why service now is the good option to select? Anyone can comment it, maybe.
Syllabus, sir.
Syllabus.
Maybe it's Salesforce. It will take 3 months of period.
Syllabus. Okay, see here. I don't know anything about Appian, ma. Okay. I even don't know. I don't first time I'm here. Okay, non-coding. Okay, no coding, drag and drop. Okay. Maybe it is good. So I don't know about anything about it, but Azure, DevOps, Salesforce, okay, the syllabus is very lengthy. Salesforce also, as per my knowledge, because one of my friend is teaching, he is a Salesforce developer. Okay, sorry, Salesforce admin, Salesforce developer, both different concepts. And Salesforce admin itself will take 25 to 35 classes. And Salesforce admin plus development, it may take 90 classes. Is that correct, ma? Maybe anyone knows it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. And if I want to learn DevOps and Azure, no, DevOps, Azure, if you want to learn, you should have strong knowledge on server management, because Azure is kind of cloud platform where your main job is converting non-cloud platforms to cloud. Even DevOps also, half of the DevOps. Okay, Jenkins or something will come. Okay,
Jenkins,
Jenkins,
Kubernetes, Docker.
those things. Okay, so here, in order to learn these concepts, now you need to learn something else and then come. It is not like directly you can learn Azure, directly you can learn DevOps. You should have basic other information like, okay, how a server, how an application, how a cloud-based application, how a non-cloud application behaves. In order to convert them, what are the things you need it, how you need to program it, and then even DevOps also. Python is important. Okay, MongoDB. I think MongoDB is also important, no, for DevOps. Anyone knows it, no? It's not MongoDB. There is one Mango-related coding concept is there. Anyone know about it? One is the development coding, like Python. There is one more called Mango. It will come. Mango,
MongoDB, right?
MongoDB. Okay. So those MongoDB, that is server related. But is there any coding related? Is there any programming language with that kind of notation like Python? Python we know need it in DevOps, that's for sure. But there are few other topics also, where you need to know strong.
Django.
Sorry, ma.
Django.
Django. I think Django, Mango. I think so. Okay. There are few. I'm not very sure. But what is my point is to learn them. You need to know.
Mango itself is a programming language we have, sir.
Mango is a programming language, and MongoDB also we have it. Correct. MongoDB is the server.
DB is something server related.
Mango is the programming language. Yes.
Mango is a programming language, something related to GitHub.
GitHub. Okay.
Mango script, sir. Mango script.
Mango script. I think yes, ma. That's what I remember. Okay. But our main point is, in order to learn other important. Okay, ma. Thank you. So in order to learn these other tools now, which are very high demand. Okay, there is one. Okay, maybe many people don't know. Anyone, if you are interested, just think about this one. Just inquire about this one. Okay, it is related to kind of SAP, ReadSoft. SAP person is there now here? One person, SAP person is there. Who is that, ma?
Yes, sir.
Do you know about ReadSoft?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Actually, you should supposed to join ReadSoft, man, not ServiceNow. But ReadSoft is, my friend is there. Okay. I got to know from him. ReadSoft is one of the highly demand tool. If you just have some time, just inquire it. Okay. In India, entire India, maybe we have 10 to 20 people. In among 20 people, 10 to 20 people, my friend is one of. His salary is around maybe 45 lakhs or 50 lakhs now. Okay, what they do is they works on databases like SAP and all, and they have some programming where they will develop to read the content and then convert it. Something the technology. ReadSoft is the technology name. Okay, very high demand, very complex to learn. It is complex because it has some prereqs to learn. Okay, and maybe nowadays all AI, PI, everything is coming. That and all, you are seeing YouTube. This one is then 1 year program for AI something there and all anyway demand also, but lengthy 1 year it will take. Okay, any course, okay, if you take, there are some prereqs will be there. Even if it is now automatic testing also, okay, testing is not easy now. You agree? Learning testing is easy now. Learning testing and getting a job is easy nowadays.
No, sir.
Why no? Yes.
No, sir.
Why no, ma? Can you answer? Because
Sir, it contains many technologies, Selenium, Java, and many more.
instead of saying many, okay, generally the expectation is, okay, you should know one testing and one minimum coding. One coding language you should know, and one testing platform you should know. Okay, without these two, you don't get a job. Is that correct, ma? Yes, no?
Sir,
Yes.
in current days, they
Yes.
are asking more code and testing
One
also.
coding, ma. Yeah, at least one coding.
Ha.
More coding is done. Like coding, they are expecting it. At least you should know one coding language. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So that is the reason even testing is also not easy now, because it have, say, many testers they are learning Python now. Okay, because people will ask you, do you have any coding language? Yes, they have to tell yes. No means they don't get job. Okay, so nowadays the trend is like this. Okay, if you compare all other tools, now ServiceNow is very limited, very easy. Even here also we have coding now. Okay, if someone tell you ServiceNow is less coding, okay, easy coding is fine, but less coding, no coding, it's wrong. Okay, ServiceNow have coding. Okay, here we use JavaScript, but this is easy coding. You no need to think like C++. Okay, like, okay, not like this. You no need to think like this kind of images when you say coding. Okay, you no need to think like this. I will show you one image. Okay, when I say coding now, you no need to think like this. Okay, you normally see, okay, these kind of places, these kind of situation, this one exactly. Okay, you no need to think like this way. That is easy coding where you can manage to learn easily. Okay, I am from non-coding background. I learned it. Now I can able to manage it. Okay, because it's easy. Okay, so keeping all these parameters, this tool is very easy to learn. Clear, ma? This point is clear? Yes, no?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, yeah.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, ma, please.
So you said that coding is needed. Even I also got to know that. I just want to know how much coding you will be covering, or we have to learn
No, ma.
something prior learning this course,
I will tell you,
like
ma.
JavaScript.
I will tell you. Okay. There is something I can suggest to go through. Okay. So,
You will only cover in the course. Okay.
I will tell you. Okay. So, see here, first 15
Okay.
classes, okay, or 17 classes are non-coding. Okay. And from somewhere around 10, 20 class, the coding will start. Before that, if you can go through some basic videos, which I am going to suggest you, that will help little. Okay. Even if you don't prepare also, that is good. Okay. But if you prepare it, your brain will start thinking coding. That is important. These and all like learning coding and these other few concepts, no, it's like all your mentality. Okay. By default, the way we came from the academic and all, we feel like coding is very dangerous one, very difficult one, because we don't have that kind of facility to develop it. Okay, so that's why automatically if I say coding, we always start thinking like, okay, coding is difficult. Only thing is our mind already tuned like it is difficult area. Okay, we need to start slowly thinking like it is a easy. So whatever I suggest, you just go through it, and whatever I teach, you just follow, practice it, and 100% you will feel like it is such an easy topic. That is my kind of, I will take it up. I will take it up. Kind ma? Fine?
Okay, sir.
And last few more things, 10 more minutes we have it, okay? I think I thought of take so many questions today, only questions, okay? But, okay, I will be going to cover these things, first thing, and I said I already, okay? We have five first classes, you all please join, and then understand if you are feeling like you can discontinue, and I will be providing these things that I already told, okay? And why service now, we covered it, right? So, how it will help you if you are a very fresher, okay, one fresher is there, you need to just learn and then attempt it, ma. Okay, with 1 year of experience, you can try. Okay, you will get some jobs. But for freshers, it is not recommended. Like yesterday, one girl called me and she was doing diploma second year and she said, "Sir, I want to learn service now. I will join." I said, "No, ma, don't join." Okay, why? Because I know it is very early and she no need to spend even 1 rupee now. Okay, she's having C++ in her academic. I asked her to go through deeper, and I also given our channel basic course. Okay, she can at least learn that. Okay, why? Because for freshers, we don't know. We can't promise them like, okay, if you learn it, you may get a job. Correct? Yes or no?
Sir, what about non-IT, sir?
Non-IT
Yes, sir.
people, okay, people who have non-IT experience, you have two choices. One is you can directly try, okay, saying I have this much, this, okay. Instead of saying that, you can try with some fake experience. Many people who are here with some gap is there, na? The gap you need to mold it as fake experience. That's it. That is the only option.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, because that is the truth. No need to hide anything. Okay, you need to
Yes, yes.
convert that into some consultancy IT experience, and then only important thing is you need to be very strong when you are answering the questions.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Thank you. Thank you.
yes, ma. For people who are in US, okay, and especially for the person who is doing masters, na. Okay, US, especially in US, UK, okay, the jobs types are different. Okay, just keep this point very clear, ma. Okay, in India, if you want to try in service now, you need to learn entire syllabus. Entire syllabus is must, whatever we are going to touch. Even if we say, I know I have 1 year of experience in service now, they will ask you integrations in India. That's how the current Indian interviews are going on. Okay, but in UK and US, you have very programmed uh, kind of job description. Like if it is SN admin, they will only focus on few areas. If it is SN developer, okay, they will only programmed to ask few things on development. Implementation, okay, different. Okay, architect, different. BA, different. Okay, so the job profiles are completely divided in US and UK. Okay, so for the person who is doing masters and the person who is about to go, okay, to UK or US, what you do is just learn it, and based on your time, based on your understanding, try with different profiles. Okay, for masters person especially, if you have less time, learn it. You just go through it and don't wait for complete 2 months immediately, because for them time is very important, because dollars, na. Immediately once after you finish 15th class, you upload one resume. Okay, you just send me, I will review, and then you upload it. Say I am applying for ServiceNow admin. I will tell you few more concepts which to be keep and which to be followed and which to be answered. How to answer. Okay, you
Sure, sir.
start attending from uh, this phase only. Don't wait. You attend it. You attend the classes and groom, but don't wait. Okay, because for you people, time is very important. Now you start attending it so that you will understand what type of questions you are getting, and if you get a job, you join there, and then also simultaneously learn our topics, and then later 6 months you can shift your career to developer. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay, this is for especially you, the person who is doing masters. Okay, and maybe for others UK US people. Okay, if you are already doing job, you are getting some money, fine. Okay, but if you want to take this one, okay, because SN admin you may get very less salaries. Per hour charge is very less here compared to developer. Okay, just to check it, and you if you want to also try, okay, just try after this 15 classes start, so that you will start learning or getting the expectations. Fine, ma? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Sir, I have a general question.
yes, ma.
The person who is in India, there
That is
is
our
there any opportunity?
that is our next point, ma. Indian people are special people. Yeah. Okay.
So, sir, do we have a opportunity in the abroad as well? Like,
That you
is
can't.
they are hiring from India as well?
No, ma. They don't. Generally, okay. There are few jobs where they will say, okay, we have one position in US, but they will say prerequisite H1B. Okay. Like that, jobs will be open for Indian people. You got it, huh?
Okay, okay.
So answer is no. Simple. Okay. If you join to a company, they will sponsor you, they will take you, then you are good. If not, you have to bear your all expenses and go and try there. Okay. That is risky. You need to spend up to maybe 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs for visa, 5 lakhs for accommodation and initial that and all. But risky, ma.
Okay, okay. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. Did I? Okay. This point is clear for UK, US people, ma. Any questions here?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay.
Yeah, clear.
Clear. And for Indian people, okay, what you need to do is, okay, you need to attend these classes, and we will be having 4 phases. Okay. After third phase, okay, this third phase, you start uploading your resumes. From here, you start uploading your resumes. Okay, because this is till this point essential. This is also essentials, but you can start attempting from now here. Okay, you will keep something here. I will tell you what to keep. Okay, but if you want to wait till the entire course complete, you can wait and then attempt it. Few people will be there where they will be having less time. Okay, time is very important for them because they're serving notice period and something, right? For them, at least you need to wait till here. Clear, ma? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
yes.
Now,
sir.
next 10 minutes, any questions from anyone, please raise it, ma.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes, ma.
We learn if we learn the skill very strongly and we have keep 1 year or 2 year fake experience.
Yes.
Is it safe, sir? While background verification and all.
So see here, that is a common question. Okay. How to answer is like it's like a diplomatic answer. Okay. If even if I answer also, you will still feel like sorry didn't answer. But answer is who are right now in IT. Okay. If you just take a simple percentage, okay, up to 50% of people who join not directly as a freshers. Correct. I joined into fresher 2006, but I seen many people who not joined as a fresher into IT. In my team also, if you just count it, 5 people are freshers. They enter into IT directly after their BTech or BSc like me. But many people they just learnt it and then enter into the other way. Is that correct statement? IT people?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So half people, more than I can say more than half people, but at least half people will be coming like this. First thing. Okay. Second thing is companies also know. Okay, they are not that much dull. Like okay, even if you submit some documentation, they don't know easily. They know. Okay, but still they consider you. Why? Because it all depends on how you answer in the interviews and how you perform. Okay, this line is very important, ma. If your performance is good in interviews and live, okay, even though you are fake, they don't touch you. Okay, is that answered? First point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, second point. Now I am jobless. I have 2 years career gap, 3 years career gap. So I need to enter into IT. Okay. So I don't have any option. I need to learn something. I need to keep fake experience and then I need to try. Okay. Let's say by God's grace, I prepared well. I got a job. Okay. Now, 1 month later, I lost a job. So what I will do immediately? What I will do, ma? Like 1 month later, if I lose the job with for fake experience documents, what I will do? Tell me, everyone.
Again, I need to learn
So
and again upload my resume.
I will learn. Okay, I will immediately apply and then go. No, I don't stop and go my home and then do cooking, right? Right? So it's a journey. We are going that way means if it sometimes it may happen negative way, positive way, but you have started it until you survive. You stand for 3 years in IT, or 2 years IT, or 3 year time experience. That struggle you have to bear. That's it. No other option. Okay. and you should be ready for that also. If you are getting the job, see here, I think please keep it on mute, ma. Okay. If you are getting the job and then enter into IT with a fake experience, that means you learn something, you are eligible for something, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And then you lost the job means that is karma, not to do. Okay. And then, but you already knew that you can get easily another job. That kind of confidence you should have. That kind of subject you should learn. That way you focus it. Okay. Don't focus the other things like, okay, what if I lose the job? What if I go with a fake experience, background check? That and all will be there. That's a part of the journey. And whether it is good, whether it is bad, you just continue. That's it. Yes, ma. I think that's why I said the answer is diplomatic. I didn't answer that question, but I answered it. Yeah. Next, ma. Question. Any questions, please?
Sir,
Yes, ma.
I have one question.
Yes, ma.
Like I am a CSA certified.
Uh-huh.
Okay, but when I give in any interview, they ask me, did you any delta? And like I don't get that what they're asking. So can you explain about that certification?
Delta is like you can do it, ma. Once you do CSA, every year, every version upgrade, they will ask you to do Delta. That is just 6 questions or 10 questions.
No, like it's okay, but like I'm working currently. I'm working in that firm, but they don't give any like token and any pay for that. So I
Delta
have to
is
pay
free,
for
na?
that.
No, Delta is free, right? No.
Sir, after CSA, first 2 delta is free.
First
Okay.
2 Delta is free. Just to do it for them at least, and later if you say, okay, let's see later.
Okay.
And later also that company will pay for Delta, no,
They are
sir?
not paying. That's what she said. The company is not ready to pay. So first 2 Delta is free, ma. You can do it. Just to do it and then yeah, answer them. That's it. Simple.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes. Next one, ma.
One question, sir.
Yes,
Is
ma.
certification is mandatory? I
Until
mean,
and
CSA.
yeah, ma. Until the answer for Indian people is until and unless it is free, it is very much mandatory. You should not miss it. Okay. But if it is costable, like till maybe few months back, it was free. I forced everyone to do, and even I send CSA dumps for close to 1,000 people. Okay, because it's free, everyone can do the opportunity. Okay, but if it is not free, then it's not mandatory because CSA itself will cost you 1.3 lakhs to 1.5 lakhs in India. You understood, ma?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
but for UK, US people, I think it is mandatory. You need to check and then see. Okay. They will specifically ask for certification and they will prefer certification people. Yes, ma. Next one, please.
Hi, sir. Is it good to join contract to high job?
Yes, ma.
Somebody
If you are
calls me
jobless, are you job holding person, jobless person, ma?
jobless, sir.
Jobless means job is a job. Contract,
Okay. After
even
1
free
year,
job also you can
sir,
join.
yeah, no, not problem, sir. After 1 year, they will get permanent or
It depends, ma. It depends on that particular company. You may get permanent, you may
oh,
not get permanent, but doesn't matter for you. Experience means
okay.
experience. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
one primary point is you need to step into IT. That's it. That is the main thing.
Okay.
Even they ask you to do cooking also, you just to go do cooking and then you say
Okay.
3 years experience in IT. That's it.
Okay.
You got it, ma?
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yes, got it. Thank you.
That experience is very, very, very valid and very important. Stepping into IT is very important. What you do, okay? Is that contract or permanent? What job you do, that and all doesn't matter. That is also matter later, okay? But that IT experience is very important. Stepping into IT is very, very, very important.
Okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Next one, ma, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, question.
Yeah, sir, I have already experienced, but I have a gap, career gap 2 years. The interview asked me what is the gap. I have said as personal reason. Is it correct or
You can see, okay, so the answer, okay, how much career gap you have?
almost 1.5 years, sir?
1.5 year, and you are trying as a fresher, huh?
No, no, no. Experienced person.
Uh, Experienced person, 1.5 year career gap is there. Just say I was, okay, see, answer can be anything, but how you are answering is also matters. Okay, personal matters, that is good, but tell in a nice way, okay? Maybe
Okay.
Corona, my father was not well, so I was at home. Or maybe we had some family businesses that was in crisis, so I took break and then handled it. Or something. So it should be one reason where it could be like settled reason. Make it very simple and straightforward. If you say personal reasons, na, it may gives not clear way of telling, na.
Okay.
Tell something professional way, though don't ask. Okay, that's it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Fine. Next, any question? Last questions.
సార్ వాట్ ఈస్ కెరియర్ గ్యాప్ సార్? కెరియర్ గ్యాప్ అంటే అసలు ఏంటి?
కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ అంటే కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ అమ్మా. ఓకే, హౌ టు టెల్ మా. ఓకే, ఫర్ us కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ is something like I joined into IT, okay, and I lost the job, or I took the break for the job. Okay, 5 years, after 5 years of my job, I took 2 years of job. Now I want to enter into IT. That is career gap.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు బీటెక్ ఐ కంప్లీటెడ్ మై బీటెక్ ఇన్ 2020. తర్వాత సప్లీ వల్ల ఒక 1 year గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది సార్ 2021 అని. కెరియర్ గ్యాప్ అవుతుందా సార్?
దట్ కెరియర్ గ్యాప్ కాదమ్మా, దట్ ఇస్ గ్యాప్.
జస్ట్ గ్యాప్.
ఆ గ్యాప్
2020 ఫేక్ పెట్టడానికి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఐ మీన్
ఆ ఫేక్ 1 year పెట్టుకోవాలి మీరు అంతే.
ఇంటర్న్షిప్ చేశానని చెప్పనీకి ఉండదా సార్ 2020 నుంచి 2021 వరకు?
ఇంటర్న్షిప్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఎవరు ఇస్తారమ్మా మనకి? ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ ఇట్ దెన్
ఓకే, సర్టిఫికేట్ ఉంటే అయితే చెల్తా అంటారు.
చెల్తా, yes మా.
చెప్పాలి అనుకుంటే ఫ్రీలాన్స్ చేశానని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు.
ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ చెప్పుకోవచ్చు, yes, but yeah, only thing is, see, anything you tell, first thing is, let's say, okay, your resume went to them and then they are taking your interview. That is first thing. Second thing is, if you are very strong in the interview, this thing and all will go. Okay, if you say I ask you 20 questions, you are able to answer 15 plus questions very strongly. Even if you are fake, if you are a fresher, if you are like 10th class students also, I will take you.
Okay sir, got it.
Yeah. Concentrate on this point, okay, and also we will see other points later.
Hi sir.
Yes, ma.
In my company there is no service, no product. So since 10 years I am working in the same company. So if I keep the resume my current company,
4 years service now, okay.
Yeah, how it will affect?
Nothing, ma. No one will come and ask you. Your company is supporting some other company as a service provider for service now project. That way you can tell.
Okay. Thank you.
That's what. Okay, we can manage it, but only thing is you should be very strong in technical when you are on.
Yeah, that's it. If somebody checks the company profile,
they don't check it.
Company,
no,
okay.
They don't come check the projects. Okay, how they will get to know? See, your company is doing so many activities, and it also can support other clients. Okay, like a project.
That's what in our company there is no. It's our own company products. We will not support any other products.
Who will see? Who will come and see?
Yeah, that okay. If they check the profile of the company,
even if you say we have service now also,
okay,
they don't come and see. Correct? How they will get to know?
Okay.
Yeah. So no need to hesitate there. You can.
Okay. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay, ma. Any other questions? Can you please explain about 3 months of notice period? What I need to explain, ma? 3 months of notice period means 3 months of notice period only. Is that the question? Like how to handle the 3 months of notice period? Yes. Okay. Not now, maybe in our channel there is a video for it, ma. Okay, how to manage your 3 months of notice period. Okay, please go through it now, or else tomorrow I will explain it. Okay, we are getting late actually, so UK people is there, US people are there. Yeah.
I have a question, sir.
Yes,
here so many people are having some experience in IT and non-IT,
yes.
But people like us, we don't have any experience. Like consider I'm a housewife. And what suggestions are you going to give us? I mean, how much we need to prepare for an interview?
How much you need to prepare for the interview is like whatever I will tell, you need to prepare it.
Yeah, okay.
And for that gap, you need to go to some consultancies and get the fake documents for 3 years or 2 years or something, and then attempt it. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
How much knowledge you need to have is just blindly follow me. Whatever I told, practice it as much as possible. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Sir.
Yes, ma.
సార్ ఇది ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్ టెక్నికల్ లో క్లియర్ అయింది సార్. కాకపోతే సెకండ్ రౌండ్ లో పోయింది సార్. ఏమైందంటే మేనేజర్ అన్ని టెక్నికల్ కాకుండా ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ అండ్ ఐ మీన్ వాట్ ఈస్ అడ్మిన్ వర్క్ ఇట్లాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగాడు సార్.
ఓకే.
అంటే టెక్నికల్ గా చేసానా లేదా అని టెస్ట్ చేద్దామని చెప్పి. సో నేను ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వలేకపోయేసరికి అది ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయింది.
Okay, what is
సో
yes?
మన కోర్స్ లో లైవ్ సినారియోస్ అన్నిటికీ ఉంటాయి సార్. అంటే నేను ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినప్పుడు యూట్యూబ్ లో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2, డెమో 1, డెమో 2 అని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశాను. నేమింగ్ ఇవ్వడం టేబుల్స్ కి, ఫీల్డ్స్ కి అలా.
Time live లోను మనం whatever we are going to cover the topics, they are on live live topics, so you can apply live scenarios. Even they will help you to answer in interviews also.
యా దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ నీడ్ సార్.
Yes, ma. Got it. Any last question, ma? Please. Any last question? No. Okay, so